EDSITEment is a good site for the humanities. And a lot of times it's hard to find stuff for things like drama and music, and EDSITEment does have some resources. Um, you can look for lesson plans, teacher's guides, or student activities. And it tells you right here what lesson plans are, classroom ready lessons and materials for K through 8, and resource guides, teacher's guides are resource collections and ideas for humanities educators. Student activities are activities you can do with students, and they vary. So let's just take a look, for example, lesson plans. On the left side, there are ways that you can filter. So my suggestion is first put the topic you're looking for. So just say you're looking for World War II, which I was, and I would click apply. There are 444 results in World War II in lesson plans. Now I could go through all those 444 results if I want, but let's see about narrowing it. So if I wanted to look at just 9 through 12, if I click on 9 through 12, it narrows it down to even less, 232 results. You could also then go to subject and topic, and in this case I would go under history, and maybe can click on, when I just clicked on history and social studies, it brought me down to 134 results. So when you choose one of the main headings, it does put it as a filter right here, but I could then just say, well, let's just look at world history, and it will change the filter from all of history and social studies to just world history. So when I click on world history, now there's just 39 results. Now it's kind of interesting that the Korean War comes up, and I can't tell you what will come up according to their filters. So you'll just have to check it out. But those are the ways that you can filter down all the pieces parts. If you don't like that, you can just clear the facets and filters, and we can start all over again. So let's say now I go to student activities. You have the same kind of filters. I think it's still looking up my World War II search terms, even though I cleared things out. Let's look at something else. Let's look up musicals. So if I click up musicals and I say apply, there's only 4 results, but there are some results. And like I said, I'm not exactly sure what you will find because it depends on what their parameters of the searching are. But that's basically how you use the EDSITEment site. You've got your topics and your filters over here and your grade range filters.